welcome to Da Nang, welcome to another beautiful evening here. Look at how nice the sky looks at night. We're gonna take a stroll here in the evening today and have a look how the situation is here at the moment. How busy is it really? We are currently at the intersection Doba and Le Quan Dao. We're gonna take a stroll straight and then to the right. I wanna see what's new here. I think it's Antung 29 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can play some checkers, I think it's called, the left one. Or I don't know, I think it's a maybe Chinese game or Japanese. I don't know. What language is this? I have no idea. And you can play chess.
Hopefully got a...
Yes, Antung 29. Let's see how it looks here at night. Something is going on here. So I think this villa is abandoned for a long time. Before they always had a sign out there with "Do not park here." That's not the case anymore. I guess it's for sale. And no one living there anymore. I don't know, maybe they renovating it? I also heard they have a very nice what coffee did I try? Coconut coffee, I heard. But I have not tried it out yet. Looks very nice in there. Very tropical. Huh. What's going on over there? Construction never stops here, no matter what time it is. Oh, that's a new Italian. Trattoria da Stefano. And the Mama Hotel, apartment, Sweden. This is where Marcus lived the first time he stayed here. I put him in there. Back then it was, I think it was 7 million or something. Then I think 1 year later it was 9, 12 or something, I don't know. Now it's probably 15 or so. So I guess this empty lot that was always there is getting constructed now on it. Wow. Wow, that's a big change here, guys. There was always this piece of land and with something on it, but not really a building. And now they're building it. Let's see how long it takes. Oh my God. There's another building here. What? Yo. It's like you're thinking it's slowing down at some point, the construction, but it does not. It's non-stop, guys. And this is done. My God, dude. So it's called Mike Hotel. So I thought it would be a apartment building, but it's a hotel. And guess what? I'm gonna check it out, guys. Not in this video, but I will definitely take a look on this. It's a little bit weird, the pool being so close to the street, but yeah. Wow. A brand new hotel, guys. Antung 29, number 9, apartment for rent. Okay, so it's not a hotel, it's an apartment. So you can rent apartments. Here's the number, guys. That's a freebie for you. Usually I put that on in my guide, but yeah, there you go. Get it. Wow, this is crazy. And I think about it. This probably will be an apartment building, and this one as well. But at some point, this street's gonna be full. Hold on, maybe not. So if you have been here 3 years ago, you would see like now, okay, everything like this was all not here. This was parking for a Hummer, like a Hummer. The owner of this guy, I think, because there was always a Hummer parked right here. There was the parking lot for the Hummer hotel guy, I think. He really likes the Hummer car, I guess. But he always parked it there. And everything like that, this was not there yet. It was just trash and parking, I would say. And 3 years later, it's completely developed. Wow. Some, I don't know what's going on here. Oh, they're building something here. They're building a little bit of a something. What is this? It looks like a boat, like a yacht. Maybe it's gonna be another, like a coffee shop or something. A little stand. It's crazy. Every single centimeters, or maybe for you Americans, inch. I don't even know how long an inch is, but whatever. Every single inch or centimeter or meter is getting developed here. Wow. It's kind of crazy though.
Where?
Everywhere where they can do a business, they rent it out. No wonder why so many Maybachs are here. Probably all the guys who own the land, they all bought themselves a new Maybach this year.
It's a pocket bar. Pocket 3.
Pocket 3, yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Okay.
TikToker.
Have a good day. Those are the guys who are always selling you the coffee and chocolate. So whenever they talk to you, you need to be take it with a pinch of salt. It's usually a sales pitch. Same way they told Marcus, "Oh, you're so handsome," and then Marcus was like, "Oh my God, a woman called me handsome," and then she starts selling. Oh man, so sad. Since then he has trust issues. Yeah, so I don't like these salespeople. They hurt my boy Marcus. Papa steak. Marcus also tried out the Papa steak. It should be good. And this is what I still have to try, guys. Mi Lan Chao, Lanzhou beef noodles. And there's some kind of rooftop up there. Foreign exchange. May Beach. If you remember this hotel, one time I reviewed it. I think it was $6 a night. Wondering how much it is now. With the hybrid bar, sports bar, very cool inside. Nice AC. That's what you need right now. It's like, if you have an AC place, I think all the outdoor places that make money, they actually transform themselves into an AC place. Because the AC places are pretty much winning now in the summer. Because at some point, it's just gonna be too hot. It's just gonna be too hot, guys. Too hot and humid. Lokotai. We have some Med Mobile. Okay. I guess you can also repair things here. It's so interesting. There was like a Laos food place here one time. I know that. My friend Danny got food poisoning here. Or maybe it was here. I'm not sure where it was. Maybe it was here. Laos food place. So much has changed, guys. Crazy. And it's just like, I walked these streets 2 weeks ago on this channel, and those things were not there. The hotel was not finished. Crazy how fast it went. I can't believe it. But now I'm gonna go to a birthday party, to Ole. So happy birthday, Ole, if you see this. I think you're way too busy to watch this still. Ole also watched my channel back then. Then he's now living here since some years actually. Screen protectors, 5G SIM cards. I'm wondering where they are. I thought it's here. Huh. Ah! Where are you hiding? I'm looking in and I'm like, huh? Oh, there. Okay. They're hiding here. All right. Where's Ole?
You got lost in Danang.
Yeah. Sunshine Vlog. And my pastor here. Hello. God bless you. How you doing? All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.